This is a Tonka Rescue Force Fire Rescue Emergency Vehicle. And I've got it taken apart here. So I'm fixing this for my neighbor. Those of you that don't know which neighbor I'm talking about, it's the one that has the Roadrippers Wheelie Power Nissan that I made a video of back in September. It's the people that live like right beside me. So now I've already stripped the wires, as you can see. There's a wire off the battery compartment, and there's 2 wires off the speaker, which the speaker is right here. But it came off from the inside and it was dangling around. Well, not dangling, it was rattling around in there. So I'm also going to try to see if I can modify this. I noticed it's got spots right here. Okay, my camera's acting weird. It's like lagging for some reason, if you guys see that. I don't know why it's doing it. And there's spots in here. Darn it, there's spots in here. And right in here. Let me see if I can put lights in there. As well as put some in here. Gosh, what the heck is wrong with my camera? You guys seeing this? Got that wire soldered. Now I'm gonna use the iron. Still don't have a hot glue gun for here. I had one, but it just was kind of crappy and didn't work correctly. So yeah. Now all we've got to do is see about hooking the speaker or the wires up. Now we'll be able to know what sounds this makes. It might just make the normal one. If I can get the stupid wire to stay on there. Okay, it's just the normal sounds. But this speaker is junk. Think I got a good speaker. Darn it, stupid. There. Good speaker. I don't know how it came. Well, these things bent back. Well, one broke. Or is broke, I should say. So now I gotta do is just. And like you guys can see that. It's just. Put this. Well, I think I'll just solder it here. But I'm gonna attach LEDs for this to this to see if it'll work. Now I just have to do the other wire. Might require this one. There we go. There's more room now. It's hard to see where it is. Darn it, that stupid thing. It won't Okay, that's... Oh my god. Dude, what the heck? It stuck for a second. And then it just gave up. Like, what the heck? Okay, that should be good.